So the crypto markets are flashing green all over again, and we're getting those same feelings of euphoria and excitement. Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back into the channel. Today we're going to explore Luna Classic. It's been a while since we looked at Luna Classic. Of course, it was trending not so long ago. So let's give ourselves a little update. Whilst Bitcoin has smashed through $17,000, we can see, looking at Luna Classic at the start of November, there was a significant amount of token burning, and we can see the total burn went from 28.8 billion tokens all the way to 35.2 billion tokens. So that's a massive increase. The total supply of Luna Classic tokens now burn, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 0.519%. So it's still very, very small. It's going to take a long time to even see 1%, but when we do start seeing like a total of 50 Luna Classic tokens burn, that's when we can really start seeing the price of Luna Classic pump. So looking at it right now, rank 42, it's still got a $1 billion market cap. It's just hanging on by a thread, trying not to lose that position. And we can see, looking at the last 3 months, it has been in a very significant downtrend. We bottomed out around 0.000152, so I don't think there's much more downside potential here, but of course bear markets, anything can happen, unfortunately. So yeah, in my opinion, it's looking pretty weak, and we're trying to chase at 0.00059 level just over here. Unfortunately, we're nowhere near. Ever since we did touch this, we had a big sell-off wick. In my opinion, this is actually the blow-off top right here. And it was a bit of a coordinated pump and dump, in my opinion, with the Luna Classic. It was really sort of sucking in all of the people that lost a lot of money, and they were hoping that this would, fix the problem, and they just took advantage of the people FOMOing in. And at the time, nothing was happening. There was nothing happening in the markets. Everything was stagnant. Luna Classic was the only thing moving. We can see we fall through this falling wedge. We did get a breakout. We got rejected at resistance at 315. Then we had the falling wedge down here again, and then we went into an uptrend of an ascending channel, but we still got rejected, which is absolutely crazy in my opinion. So we got rejected, we've got the continuation to the downside now, and we've spiraled to 0.000135. So at the moment, we're kind of looking at the volume. We look at the volume, we see it is dying off on the daily time frame. We're not overbought, so things don't look too bad. And looking at our Bollinger Bands, you can see we do get rejected at the top of the band every single time, but we are hovering over that 20-day moving average, which in my opinion is quite a good thing. Moving to the 4-hour time frame, in my opinion, we need to see Luna Classic get a bounce here. So if we have corrected nicely, we're just sitting on the 0.382 Fibonacci correction level. So this highlights where you're likely to get a bounce of support. The next thing is to potentially see a bounce to this particular level, to basically 0.000179. So that would be a take profit target for me, because it's a resistance. We're in a bear market, and obviously in a bear market you want to sell at the resistances. So there's a 4.34% potential impulse if we do see it happen. Otherwise we'll just see continuation to the downside. I think it's going to be very, very difficult to see Luna Classic recover back to 0.00059 in my honest opinion, guys. So yeah, Luna Classic not looking crazy, not looking really, really good. But if we look at our long-term Fibonacci retracement, you can actually see that we did fall short of the 0.786, which does indicate it could be in a good area of sort of reaccumulation, dollar cost averaging. But of course, nothing I say is financial advice. Ladies and gents, if you're new to the channel, by the way, we're talking about some crazy pre-sales. We've talked about Terra on this channel. We did a 20x, and I told you guys if you were to get into it, you'd have done really well. We've got other pre-sales live right now down below in the comments and description section. Check it out. IMPT only has 2 days left until it sells out, so it could be another 20xer, could be a 5x, could be a 10x, who honestly knows. And if you'd be keen to support this channel and become a VIP holder, you can actually get early access to all the pre-sales, the inside info on all of these white listings and the upcoming pre-sales. So at the moment we can see we've got IMPT pending, Dash to Trade pending, Calvaria pending, Robot Era is also pending as well, but Battle Infinity, Terra did great. So if you want to get into this, get a free ebook, get leverage signals, spot trading. I've also got more budget friendly options too. Do check out my Patreon page down below to check out all the pre-sale signals, as well as trading signals, and much more. It's just a little way to kind of support the channel and help me grow at the same time. And of course, get yourself into the Discord nonetheless, because it has also got a free section. So come say hi, don't be shy. There's plenty of awesome people in here, over 3,000 lovely people, and we're just talking about all the craziness in the markets right now. So hopefully see you there. Take care guys, and bye for now.